It's a 2008 Chevrolet Impala. A refined and roomy interior is wrapped in an athletic exterior, giving you a car that exudes an unflappable demeanor. Welcome to approachable luxury. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: AM/FM XM satellite radio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, power windows, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, touring suspension, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive finds handling surprisingly quick and sharp. This is not the wallowing live axle barge from the 1960s, yet the ride is well damped and does a good job of filtering noise, vibration, and harshness. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
Family-owned and operated Thayer Chevrolet Toyota has been exceeding expectations since 1935. We're conveniently located at 1225 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.